Hello and welcome to another episode of Inspector Gadget, where today this video is all about this that I've been kindly sent, which is the Eve weather. So basically this connects to the Apple Home, the Samsung SmartThings, Alexa and the Google Home. Okay, it's built on threads, so it's widely connected to many devices. And what it does, it tracks the temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, the humidity and the barometric pressure every time, I think I said that right. You can see the weather trend at a glance and reliable and secure integrations with your preferred platforms thanks to Matter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this unboxed and I'm going to set it up the best I can because I don't have any Apple devices, so I can't download the app, so some functions might not work for me, but I'm going to unbox it, test it and just see what I can do and what I can show you. Okay, so let's get this thing unboxed. Okay, there's the dinky little device. It is pretty small. Look at that compared to the size of my knife. I've got the paperwork, and that's it. Now this is not rechargeable, it comes with a replacement battery. Take that off. Okay, so there we go, we have it live. Okay, so there's the display on now. So it's currently 15 degrees, the humidity 79%, and that's the current weather trend. It's just basically showing there's a bit of sun behind the cloud there. Okay, so that's pretty much all I can do right now because, like I say, I can't connect any apps because I don't have any Apple products. So the price of this little dinky thing is currently on Amazon. It's £71.16. So if you are interested in buying it, we'll put an affiliate link below this video, so please click on that and help to support my channel, and I appreciate that very much so in advance. Like I say, it does connect with Google, Alexa and Siri, so we'll go inside now and I will try and get them. So if you enjoyed this video and got some value from it, please give me a big thumbs up, that will be a massive help. If you're not subscribed already, please make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye for now.